Hello everyone, this is a new alert. We can clearly see a drone right now to our left. It's gaining on us a little bit. Please share this alert. Second alert of the night. The third day of our journey to Gaza to break the siege and create a people's humanitarian corridor on board the Medellin.
Noi non stiamo facendo tutto questo se non per...
We're still missing 3, but let's start.
Ne mancano 3, ma comunque iniziamo.
We have to keep trying, because the moment we stop trying is when we lose our humanity. And no matter how dangerous this mission is, it is nowhere near as dangerous as the silence of the entire world in the face of a live stream genocide.
Pascal,
Hey guys, wait! No!
So we are now in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea with the boat. So there's Tiago. Hello. Yaz on our boat. It is Sergio.
Parlo malissimo l'inglese.